Hello, good morning. Yes, we start the second period. Please open your notebook and decorate. Very good. I like that you decorate your notebook. Please, very good, very nice. Okay? And then when you can stop the video here and decorate your notebook with Mickey Mouse. Now, if you like a Mickey Mouse or cars or flower that you like, but you write, please, second period. Then, today is Wednesday. The field tribe is the topic, and we read page 13 to 15, and in the reader book. No, is the textbook. Please pay attention to me. It's the reader book. Okay, and continue. You, in this part, identify the vocabulary. The field trip is when the students go to any special place and to learn a lot of things. Okay, es una como salida pedagógica. Okay, continue. Forest is a place with a lot of trees and river and animals and plants. Children's, you are children's. Small people. And share. Share is when you have something and you divide something, the sandwich in this case, and you share something with your friends or your mother or your parents. Cuando compartes, compartir. Okay. And when you finish to copy that and you finish to copy to identify the vocabulary, please watch the second video. Okay?